Hey love bugs, it's your girl DizastrousBeauty coming back with the voiceover. Excuse my gum chewing, child, you look really like a cow, okay? Anyways, this unit was sent to me by Shop Hair Wigs, so shout out to you, Shop Hair Wigs, for sending me this unit. This unit is by Bobbi Boss. It is in the style Kirsten, and right here I'm just showing you guys the cap construction. It does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, and we're gonna put this sucker on, okay? So I do have this unit in 1B/2730. Show me the 27, honey, because I don't see it, but yeah, I'm gonna talk about all that in the outro. So yeah, it's not a whole lot that I have to say. I do want to tell you guys my nails are a whole hot mess. They really look like little kid press-ons. You remember when you used to do your nails when you were a kid? That's what these nails look like. I hate them. But y'all, I don't know what video is gonna be coming out first, but I'm moving, okay? I got a whole lot going on. I haven't had a chance to really get my nails on, so I thought press-ons was where it was at. I was really gonna do press-ons and give it a try, and yeah, you guys see how this is looking. Like, my other nails, the short ones I had on, they were cute, but these are a bust, but they won't stay on, so yeah. Anyways, y'all, I'm rambling. I just wanted to give you that disclaimer. Right here, I'm just using some dry shampoo because it is super shiny, and I should have used more, but I normally use baby powder, so I had never actually used dry shampoo, and I didn't know if it was going to change the texture of the wig or whatever. I should know better because I have heard a lot of YouTubers say they use dry shampoo, but it was the first time for me. But anyways, y'all, I should have used more because the wig was still shiny. Okay, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you love bugs in the outro, okay? Bye. Junior, sit down. Sit down, Junior. Okay, y'all. So this hair was sent to me by Shop Hair Wigs. So shout out to you, Shop Hair Wigs, for sending me this unit. Let me get in focus. Okay, y'all. You know, Bobbi Boss, y'all are really disappointing me, okay? Because this is my second unit from the wigs that was sent to me that I chose Bobbi Boss, and I am disappointed. And y'all, I am really disappointed with this wig. But before I get into all of that, all of my disappointment, let me, 1, take out my gum. Okay, and 2, talk about the details and the specs of this unit in case anybody out there is interested, okay? So this unit is by Bobbi Boss. It is in the style MLF336 Kristen, and I wanted it in this ash blonde color, that same ash blonde color that I got the unit Kylie in, but it was not available. So I went with 1B2730, and y'all, I don't see a lick of 27. Like, I feel like people are really sleeping on 27. Like, what is up? Like, do you think 27 and 30 are the same color? Like, let me know down below if you see any 27, because I don't see no 27. This is completely 30. This might as well have said 1B/30 because there's no 27 in here, okay? This is all caramel. I do not see the honey. When I think about 30s and 27, like 27 to me is always honey. Okay, it's like honey. And 30 is like caramel, like, and I don't see my 27. I'm so unhappy with that. Anyways, y'all, so this is what it looks like on the stock part. Now, this is the color that I initially wanted. This is the style I wanted. This is not the style that I even got, y'all. This style, it don't look like that. And I don't know if it's from being in there, but it's all flipped out and bulky. Anyways, this is the color and the style that I wanted. This is what I had in my mind. So, and on the back, it says premium synthetic wig, blocka. And I'm pretty sure it gives you, no, it doesn't give any wash instructions, but. Okay, so now it's time for my thoughts on this unit. When I initially put this unit on, it was shiny as crap. Like, I don't know if you still can see some of the shine. I did use some of my dry shampoo that came in my BoxyCharm. Shout out to you, BoxyCharm. You're always on point. Even stuff that I think I don't need, because I used to use baby powder, honey. But even stuff that I don't think I need, BoxyCharm, I don't know where it's at. But yeah, BoxyCharm come through in a clutch, and it smells so good, which made me not as mad and pissed with this unit as I initially was. I was going to wear this unit. I was actually filming 2 videos today, but I was like, I'll go ahead and wear this unit, get what I need done, and then go back to another unit. Now, I can't do that because this unit is a bust, okay? So, I got to go ahead and do my next unit because this unit is not what's up. So, yeah, I'm not feeling this unit. I don't think it's cute. I don't like the style of it. I'm really just disappointed because to me, this and this looks nothing alike. You know, so yeah, I'm not happy with it. It looks like super mom hair. It looks like not like super mom, but like as in mom hair, like super. Okay, I don't like that. I like mom hair that has a sex appeal. I don't want to look like the principal of an elementary school. I just don't. She don't want to do that. Okay, I want to look like Miss Piggy on the Steve Harvey show. I want to be slayed, honey. Okay, so. Yeah, I'm not feeling it. I feel like this is a wig for somebody. It's just not a wig for me. So, and I don't know if I had gotten the other color, if that would have made it better. And maybe playing around with it. I don't know. Maybe I done played around with it when you see the thumbnail. I got you and made you click on this video, okay? But yeah, I'm just really disappointed in Bobbi Boss, and yeah, I'm done. I'm over it. But as for shedding and tangling, there's none. Like, there's no shedding, no tangling with this unit. So that is always a plus. It's just the unit in itself. Then I got on this shirt that's freaking buttoned all the way up to the top. I love to button my shirts up to the top. I know y'all be watching me like, girl, what's really good? But yeah, I like shirts that I can button up. But yeah, I'm not feeling the unit. I don't think it's cute. It's not for me. It's not my cup of tea. Yeah, that's how I feel. Now, for shop hair wigs, like, definitely check out shop hair wigs. Like, check them out. They do have a lot of other units that you can check out and, you know, may like or whatever. This particular unit was not for me. I do want to say, though, I did see some reviews and I liked it on other people. So, it may just be me. It may be this color. It may be I just got, I don't know. I may have gotten the short end of the stick. But I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it at all. And I thought, like, once I got to brushing it, I was like, okay, it's gonna be cute. And it's not. It's not a look. Like, it's not a look. So yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think about it down below. It is big head friendly, so don't even worry about that. So it is big head friendly. And yeah, I'm going to give you guys a full 360 and wrap this thing up because there's nothing else I have to say about this unit, okay? So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about it. Let me know if you like it, even though I dislike it. Just let me know what you think about this president's wife wig, okay? And I do not mean Obama, okay? I do not mean Michelle, because Michelle would not wear this. I mean the other presidents. So check this out, and yeah, let me know what you guys think. And don't forget to check out Shop Hair Wigs, y'all. I mean, just because I be ragging on a wig, they have so many other wigs. This was just a bad choice for me. So, yeah, check them out. I will have a direct link to this wig in case you want to check it out. But I also have a direct link to their site for you to check out. And, yeah, that's pretty much it. So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something that you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. Also, if you're not already subscribed, what are you doing? What's good? Click the subscribe button. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Held to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.